In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add a recipient in Wise using your computer. This process is very straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Before we begin, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel to support more helpful tutorials like this. To get started, open your web browser and go to wise.com, then log into your Wise account using your email and password. Once you are signed in, you'll see the Wise dashboard with several options on the left-hand side. From the side menu, scroll down and click on Recipients. This section is where all your saved recipient details are managed. Next, click the green Add Recipient button. A new screen will appear asking you to select the currency your recipient uses. This is important because it determines how their bank details are entered. For example, if your recipient is in the United Kingdom, choose Great British Pounds, GBP. If they are in Europe, select Euros, EUR, and so on. After choosing the correct currency, you'll see two main ways to add your recipient. The first option is to find them directly on Wise. If the person you're sending money to already has a Wise account, you can search for them using their Wise tag, email address, or mobile number. This is the easiest and fastest way because Wise will automatically pull in their verified account details. The second option is to enter your recipient's details manually. To do this, simply fill in their full name, bank account number, sort code if applicable, and any other required information. Make sure everything is accurate. Incorrect information can cause the transfer to fail or getting delayed. Once all the details are entered, double check them carefully and then click Continue or Save to add the recipient to your list. Wise will now verify the information, and once confirmed, your recipient will be saved. To confirm that the process worked, go back to the Recipients tab on the left-hand side of your Wise dashboard. You should now see the new recipient listed there along with their currency and bank information. From this point on, you can easily select their name whenever you make a transfer. There's no need to re-enter their details each time. If you ever need to edit or remove a recipient later, you can simply open their profile in the recipients list, update their details, or delete them completely. This makes managing your payment contacts simple and organized. And that's it. You've successfully added a recipient in Wise. You can now send money to them instantly at low fees and real exchange rates. If this guide helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.